What's going on, guys? We're going to take a look at Robinhood. So big news. Obviously, the big rumor circulating, FTX considering acquisition of Robinhood. Stock was halted today. Good move. I want to kind of point out some key technicals here, something that we can kind of keep our eyes on in case, the move confirms we can take advantage of a trade, even potential swing trade here. So if we kind of look at where we're at today and where we got stopped, we ran right into the 50-day moving average. Now, I want to point something out. Something that you guys can kind of take home here. Stocks that lose their 50-day moving average are going to start a macro sell cycle. Stocks that reclaim a 50-day moving average and continue to build over that, consolidate, backtest, and bounce off could start a macro leg higher. With that being taken into account, this was the first break of the 50-day moving average going all the way back to March when we lost the 50-day moving average. And obviously, if you kind of just look at the chart from the time we lost that 50-day moving average here in late March, in late March going into April, as soon as we lost this area, it was just a slow and steady decline. Now, as we come into this 50-day moving average, yet again, we got that quick break. Selling pressure was there. Obviously, this is going to be a firm level of kind of resistance here, a heavy supply zone here. But one thing that I do want to kind of keep in mind with the news and everything going on with Robinhood, definitely want to kind of keep your eyes on that. If we do start to build over today's highs, which is around $9.71, and we can start getting a daily candle close over the 50-day moving average, well, then we potentially have a macro move into $11. That is going to be the price target that I am going to kind of shoot for. Anything over today's highs, I will be looking for $11, and over $11 into $12. I'm not saying that this is going back to 13, 14, 15, 17 anytime soon, but we have to take baby steps. Market overall been in a bear market. A lot of these smaller caps, speculation names, high growth stocks have definitely been in a bear market for well over a year now. So we're going to need these things to really start rounding out. But before we can kind of just push all of our chips into the middle of the table, we are going to need to take out levels of supply. If we do not close over levels of supply, we cannot hold stocks along. So I hope that kind of makes sense.